everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Fall Garland Day. So sit back, relax, pour yourself some delicious fall coffee, light your favorite Bath & Body Works candle, and watch as the magic begins. Delicious coffee. For all the Snoopy fans out there, look at this adorable mug I found in Marshall's. So this is the material that I'm going to be using for the fall garland. 2 21-inch Deco Mesh cranberry, 2 21-inch Deco Mesh gold. I'm going to be using some brown tubing because I just love these colors. They're very fall. And look how cute this is. I just love the contrast of this. So I had to get it because I just thought it was so pretty. So I want to show you right away what my favorite find is right now, and I'm so excited that I actually dressed like it today in honor of this new fall garland. Leopard balls! I am putting leopard Christmas balls in my garland. I just love the leopard and the fall. I think it contrasts and goes really, really nicely. So the leopard's going in. Cute little bow that I found at the Christmas tree store. Look at this beautiful ribbon that I found in the Christmas tree store too, that we'll be using in here. I found these at Hobby Lobby, and they're clips. They're flower clips that will clip in the garland. And of course, we have our working garland, a must. This I put in the Halloween. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it in the fall, but I said, let me put it out. Little porcupine and a fox. Thought he was cute. Or wait a minute, maybe this is a hedgehog. Okay guys, is it a hedgehog or a porcupine? Comment below. I like the leaves because they have the clips in the back and it's easy to put in the garland. So I didn't get too much stuff for the fall. I never really put too many things in my fall garlands. But Christmas, on the other hand, that's a different story. And if you're wondering, why is she doing a fall garland? Because I think it's important to show you the fall garland. And just in case you're hosting Thanksgiving and you want to make something beautiful for your guests, now you know how to do it. Now next week's video is going to be the Christmas garland tutorial that everybody's asking me for. So stay tuned for next week, ladies, because you're finally gonna see the Christmas garland. So let's get to work, shall we? Let's open up the garland. It's that time again. It's time to open the garland. And what do? We fly! Baby fly! So now, we leave a little for the ends. And now what do? Very easy. Twist. Look how fabulous these colors look together. Oh my God, I love this. I just did one twist and I just love it already. Oh my God. We twist and we poof. And we all know I like a big poof. Twist. We twist and we poof. We twist and we poof. So don't mind me, I'm just gonna be busy twisting and poofing for the rest of this cranberry delicious garland. So everyone, I just wanted to point out that we do every single one. So you twist and poof every single one this goes into, okay? Just a little tip. Now it's time for the second roll. What do? Fly! Baby fly. Now, we have to hide. So we twist and we poof, and we twist and we poof. Now we're gonna play a little hide and go seek, remember? Because we have to connect one end to the other end. Okay, so we're gonna go back on the end that you just stopped, okay? And we're going to put this new roll right on top. And we twist twice. We take this, the extra, and we join it. We play a little hide and go seek. See? Hide and go seek. And now we twist and for the rest of the way. And we twist. Little twist. Ooh. We have a malfunction. I never had a malfunction before. But guess what? I got extra pipe cleaners, so if we have a malfunction, no big deal. We just go right to our pipe cleaners. I'll rub it at the ends with this. Okay. Now we get back, crisis averted, and we continue our twisting and puffing. And we twist. You guys gonna have that song in your head now for the rest of the day? I know I am. And we twist and we Next, we're using the balls. What do? Baby fly. Okay, so I'm not doing, because you guys are probably like, why is she not doing the lights? I don't do the lights for the fall one, guys. Halloween, Christmas, they get lights. Fall does not. Okay. Leave a little extra for a little dangle, because we love to dangle. And then we go back to our twisting and poofing. So you know what time of year it is, right? It's the Hallmark Christmas movies are on. And guess what? I remember the name of the movie that gave me the inspiration for the garland. It's called Christmas in Graceland. Go watch it. Love the movie. It's so beautiful and they had the best garlands. I happen to think mine are a little better, I have to say, but they're gorgeous. Go watch it. All right, now we're getting back to our poof, twist and poofing. Got a lot of twisting and poofing to do. It's flying time, baby. I actually love to throw this. It's so much fun. It's one of the funnest things I do with this thing. So now we twist and we poofed and we twist and we poof. Now it's time to play a little hide and go seek, like we did before. Okay, so this is the one I ended on. I gotta go back on it. And I got double twist. Okay, then take this and hide it in the poof. Boom. And this one needs to be hidden too. So this I'm gonna hide in this poof too. Perfect. And we are on. We continue with the twisting and the poofing. Okay, so now it's time for the 10-inch garland, and what do? We fly, baby fly. Okay, so look how pretty this is gonna contrast. I'm so excited to put this in, you have no idea. This garland is so soft that I'm putting in, this Deco Mesh garland. Actually so nice. Twist. Poof. Got that? Little poof and twist. After the garland is in, the the Deco Mesh garland. I like to play with it a little bit and I like to poof it. And ladies, keep in mind, like I know this is what, almost a, like a 15-minute video, but these garlands actually take me about 2 to 3 hours to make, depending on how much stuff I put in. So set aside, if you're gonna do this at home, like 2 or 3 hours, because it does take a long time. Okay, so next, we're gonna use the Deco Mesh tubing and this beautiful ribbon. We're gonna do it together. We're gonna layer them, like we did with the Halloween. You put this on top of one another or in the back. I guess I'll start off like this. And as I go, it'll probably change, but we'll start like this. So now you know why I tell you to light your candle and get a cup of coffee, because it's going to take you 2 to 3 hours to make these garlands. And especially if you're gonna do a Christmas garland, you're definitely looking at 3 hours. Easy 3 hours. Also, when you are adding the ribbing and the tubing, you could also add leaves, like garland leaves. I have it outside in my front porch. I didn't do it for the inside, just because I have it on the outside, but you can add leaves too. And Michael's has them. Always get 3 of those though, because once you intertwine them, it kind of goes away. So you need at least 3 of them if you're gonna do that. Okay, time for my tape measure. We're finding the middle. So it's 9 feet. There we go. So we're going to secure the bow now. And what I think I'm going to do is use the extra pipe cleaners here. I got some Christmas ones in there too. I'm just going to use the gold tool. I'm going to cut this in half. Pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to add these flowers in first. I think they're pretty. Clip on the back. So simple and easy. Oh my God, I love how that looks. So beautiful. Love it. Look at the beauty. These colors. And then I have a yellow, I mean, not really yellow, an orange and a green one. Ah, that's so pretty. So easy. Okay, so instead of doing leaves, a leaf garland, I'm just clipping leaves in. And I like these because they have they're sparkly. Look how sparkly they are. Pretty. More sparkle, more bling, the better it is. Now we're going to use the orange. Now we're on main event. Now we're just placing our balls. Right, I like that. They're furry and they're shatterproof. Key when you make stuff for garlands. And this is how we hang the garland with our rope. We hang the middle first. And try to hang the middle. cuties. I'm gonna put a little fox in the corner because I think he'll be cute in there. And he'll just sit in there. Hi, Foxy friend. That's cute. I like that. And sometimes they're just easier to add them when the garland is up, so you can actually see. But look how cute, he's just poking out. I'm gonna use the foxes because these porcupine slash, I don't even know what these are. What are they, hedgehog things? I don't know. Yeah, we'll go with the fox. The garland is actually up because you don't want your stuff to fall down. You want it to be up so people can see it. Because if it's drooping, then it doesn't give it the illusion. So you're gonna have to make sure when you hang it that you have nothing drooping. Fall garland is up! So which one do you like better? Halloween, fall, or both? Write in the comments below. I would love to know. So next week, everyone, Christmas garland tutorial will be up. Have your Deco Mesh ready. Have your Christmas balls ready. You could do it together. You could watch my video and make your own garland. Okay, everyone, have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Thank you. Bye-bye. Now the kitchen's complete.